Hello everyone! So it's a little awkward because my second winner still hasn't contacted me either. So today I'm gonna draw a third winner, and if I don't hear from that person, I'm gonna have to figure out something else. Either I cancel the whole thing and I'll just go drop off the pencils at the local elementary school or something, or maybe I'll draw a winner from the people leaving a comment on this video. There'll be a lot less and maybe a better chance of getting somebody to reply. Anyway, so I find it a little funny, but if you have any suggestions as far as how to deal with this situation, please let me know in the comments below. Anyway, so I'm gonna pick one more winner. Hopefully the third time's the charm. We'll see. Alright, let's enter the address and load the comments one last time. And we're picking the winner. Tamina, please, if you still want these pencils, contact me as soon as you can. I'm gonna give you till Sunday, January 21st at midnight New York time to answer, to give me your full name and address so that I can send you the pencils if you still want them. If not, I'll figure out something else. Probably will try to pick a winner from the people leaving comments in this video, or I don't know. So hopefully I'll hear from you, Tamina, and congratulations. I hope I can send you those pencils. Thanks again, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye bye.